Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rename your friend's name on Snapchat. Maybe you want to give them a unique name, something you want to use to always remember them. Here's how to do it. Open your Snapchat app. Now go to your message. Look for the friend you want to rename. Click and hold it. What I have to do is to click on Manage Friendship. Click on the last one, Edit Name. Here, you can give it any name you want. When you save it, it's going to change the name of that friend. So that's how you rename or edit your friend's name on Snapchat. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.